Assalamu alaikum guys. As you can see, I have opened a chart that is AUD USD daily currency pair, and there's a bullish cipher pattern over there, and this is a very good buy entry, I believe. So you just can get into this trade, I believe, and then you can put your stop loss over there. As you can see, there is a support here. There is a support here. There is another support has been made, and then another one more bullish candle been prepared, and then another support is over here. So this support is a very good support. Okay, then I believe this market will be continue go up to this place here, 0.7266. So I have another one more pattern. Let me present you that one. That one is called USD Swiss franc weekly pattern, weekly chart here, and this chart is this is called the bullish chart pattern. As you can see, this bullish chart pattern, and then once the market has been came down at this level here, it has very violently went up about 137 pips or 150 pips, and then from there it went up a little bit, and then now the market has been came down to tested the level again. So it will continue go up to this level, I believe, up to this 0.9964. Those who are doing this swing trading, they can trade here for the long time. Maybe it will take about 40 weeks to go over there, I believe. So you have to be patient, and that will make about 776 pips. Okay, so 776 pips within how many days? Maybe 30. Let's say we are waiting for 30 candle. So 30 divided by 7, 30 divided by 4 is equal to 7.5 months. So you have to wait for about 6 months go to collect the 700 pips from this trade. 700 or 800 pips from this trade. So today I just found these two. That's why I have shared. Just wait for the next update. Thank you.